Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create or how you can build a habit tracker in Notion. So for this tutorial we're going to use a built-in Notion template. So simply go to your Notion and from the left panel go to templates, and in templates search for habit tracker. So when you search for habit tracker you'll get a bunch of templates. Select the first template, click add to my workspace and select your desired workspace in which you want to add that habit tracker. Alright guys, so as you can see, the habit tracker has been created and added into our workspace. If we scroll down, we can see that the full template has now been added into our workspace and a habit tracker has been created, and we can track our habits using this template. So this was a very simple tutorial on how you can use a pre-built Notion template to create a habit tracker in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.